Hey soapers, hey stampers, hey friends, this is Deborah Pink Possibilities, and I am back with part 2 of our how to color a mermaid tail video or tutorial. So here we've already added the party pink mica to the melt and pour, and we've already put our fragrance oil in here. So we're going to go ahead and add it to the mermaid tail mold. And we're going to make sure that it's filled. I like to fill up the mold really good. I don't care if it overflows. I want my mermaid tail to be thick, full, and I don't want it fragile. I don't want problems. I want this to be perfect. So if it spills over onto the counter, if it flows over, it doesn't matter to me. I just want a really nice product at the end, and I want my mermaid tail to look beautiful. So we're adding the party pink mica to all of our mermaid tails, and this shouldn't take that long. It takes about 25 minutes to cure or to set, and after we do that, I'm probably going to unmold it live here and let you see how the mermaid tail is going to look. So hopefully you guys are learning a lot here, and we'll keep it moving. I'm just touching up the mermaid tails. Like I said, I want to make sure it's filled and full, and if it has to overflow, as we know, is really good. There's always room for overflow. We're going to spritz it with some alcohol. And the alcohol, again, is going to remove all of the bubbles from out of the mermaid tail. So we want the end result to be pretty nice. Sorry about that. My head got a little in the way. It might happen again. It's just how it is. Adding a little bit more because I saw a couple of spots that didn't get the mica in it, so I'm going back and trying to use up all of the melt and pour. The end result, it was really nice. Everything turned out really cute. At the beginning of this video, I did show the card and the card combo, as well as the mold or unmolding of the whole batch, or I call it a soap batch or soap, yeah, we'll just call it a soap batch that I did. Alright, and here we go, adding more. We keep seeing little spots here, so that's what we're doing, just adding the last little bit of melting pour to the mermaid tail. Yeah, I'm just looking, like, making sure that there's no areas going unnoticed. Everything looks good, everything looks perfect. So we're going to go ahead and let that sit for just a few minutes. Just want to remind everyone to hit that like, share, and subscribe. As I learn things, I will make videos just to share. Maybe you don't know. I like to take some of the excitement out for you. Here, I'm showing you my little clicker that I have that I also got from eBay, and that helps to keep my hand out of the view from you seeing me pause the video and stuff like that. That's my little remote. You can get that off of eBay. Alright, so I'm showing you, it's been 25 minutes. I molded my first mermaid tail in this batch, and it came out really, really nice. The gold is so bold and so pretty. And so this is how I unmold it. I just basically peel away at the sides, and it's going to automatically come out by itself. And the alcohol helps for an easy release as well. So I don't have to struggle. You just basically peel from the sides, turn over, and voila, your next mermaid tail. And this is how you color. You can put any color with it. My next color is going to be blue, and I think that's going to turn out really, really nice. So this is how the mermaid tails come out. And then, of course, you're going to take your X-Acto knife and clean up the edges. I didn't do any cleaning up here because this is basically a how-to video. And that in the back, what I'm lifting up now, those are my embeds. I didn't put any, sorry about that, sorry about that. I didn't put any in my melt and pour soaps because I looked at it and I was like, oh no, I don't want it to take away from my actual mermaid tail. So I wanted my mermaid tail to be the main focus. I went back and I grabbed the rest of my mermaid tail so you can watch me unmold them. And here we are, getting ready to release and flip. And voila, look at there. That gold and that party pink is beautiful. I may put a link down to Brambleberry here. Just know I'm like a Brambleberry girl. Everything for the most part is Brambleberry that I work with. I love everything about Brambleberry. Here's the next one. Remember, peel away. It should be easy. Shouldn't be anything hard about this. I made them really full. And look at there. That is so nice and so pretty. The gold is awesome, and that party pink, that looks really, really good. I have a couple of pictures showing how my loaf looked after I unmolded everything from out of my loaf, the melt and pour. I was kind of afraid as to how I was going to do it. I really had to pray about that, but everything came out, and there you see it. It's really nice. I thank you. I hope you learned with me. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Bye.